Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to see landmarks through your camera using Google Maps and Gemini. So Google Maps recently got Gemini AI update that takes navigation and exploration to the next level. So with this feature you can open your camera while using maps and actually see live landmarks, buildings and points of interest overlaid with digital info. So imagine standing in a new city, you lift your phone and instantly see what's around you. It identifies major landmarks, nearby shops and even provides AR arrows to guide you where to walk. So here as an example, we'll go ahead and open up maps. And now using Gemini, we'll go ahead and use this camera button here. So this will open up your camera app. And here, this is basically telling me already, I'm 27 minutes away from Shirley. At the bottom here, there's some links which you can use. Transport, beauty salon, restaurants, groceries, and many more here. So let's just go ahead and try beauty salon. So here, if I go ahead and turn my phone to the left, you'll see that mobile hair beauty, 2 minutes away. If I go ahead and turn right, there are many other things. Let's go ahead and try something else. Let's try transport. So there's 3 minutes. There's a bus stop there. Let's try another one. Let's try a grocery store. So here it's telling me there's a grocery store right there, and it's called the Knight's News Agent and Convenience Store, and it hasn't found anything else. Let's try another one. Coffee shop. So it's telling me there is already a coffee shop here. There's another one, and there's another one there. So as you can see, this is integrated with Google Maps and Gemini, and it's basically showing me through my camera where all these landmarks or places are located. So this turns your Samsung into an augmented reality tour guide. So it's perfect when you're traveling, sightseeing, or just exploring your own city. So instead of guessing where to go, you get a real world navigation right in front of your eyes in your phone. Plus it's surprisingly accurate and visually cool. So you'll see like you're living in the future. So there you go guys, that's how to see landmarks through your camera using Google Maps and Gemini.